Global Health Solution represent HeartQuest variability system. Today we'll cover up Vital Force. So the Vital Force, its ability to quickly adapt to changes. So what we're looking for in a Vital Force. So the Vital Forces represent the numbers over here, and it's showing up how much we have a capacity to move from one stage to another. So basically it's interaction between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. It's interaction between anabolic and catabolic stage. So basically it's kind of like, well, showing up how quickly the body can be adapting to changes. In this diagram, so we can see, so it's kind of like it's fluctuating up and down, up and down. So this is represent more kind of like a nice high vital force. When it starts dropping, so we don't see this nice changes in the anabolic and catabolic stage. So basically, the vital forces start dropping, like on over here, whereas they have a like pathological regulation. So we don't see the good bouncing. So that's why. So when we don't see the good bouncing, so the vital force is dropping to the lower age. This is kind of like, well, basic philosophical concept in the Ayurvedic and the Chinese medicine. So how much chi we have, how much we energy have, how much we vitality have, so how much yin and yang we have. So the basically higher parameter represent more yin and yang power we have, so we can more adapting to the different kind of like a stress, different situation. This is very important because when we do some detoxification, and then so the vital force parameter, if it's low, so I'm not pushing the patient into the more in deep in detoxification because they doesn't have enough power to detoxify very quickly. If the client have more vital force, so I can easily put on detoxification protocol. In some cases, you will see when you put on a detoxification protocol and then vital force is dropping, so it means so that body doesn't have enough adaptation ability to remove some toxins from the organs and from the body. So this why, so if you do over detoxify and this will dropping the vital force, and they have producing a lot of imbalance in the regulatory system. So this why it's a very important parameter when we looking on this. It's very important parameter to look how the autonomic nervous system is working, sympathetic, parasympathetic, anabolic, catabolic, yin and yang function. So basically this will give us information how much power the body have. So this is actually will represent some parameters, which is kind of like, well, how much the ATP body have. If it doesn't have enough ATP to get rid of some toxins, to perform some more in deep detoxification. So this is why, so the vital force is very important parameter to look on the heart rate variability. So this is the heart rate variability, the HeartQuest, so they have a vital force parameters. So other heart rate variability on the market, so they doesn't have this parameter. So this why, so we don't see how much power the body have if we will do some more deep detoxification, or we perform some more in deep healing process, which is kind of like, well, required so more energy for performing. So this why in some cases, so it's important to look and monitoring the vital force. This is the coverage for the vital force.